to see you all. Alhamdulillah. Uh, Today we'll discuss on we have already discussed on interview. Okay, so we have seen that in the interview we will face initially we will face with the question, tell me about yourself. Okay, so this is the first question will be posed for the will be posed to the interviewee, okay, by the interviewer. The next question is he may ask for the experienced candidate, he may ask few questions related to the situations. Okay, in any organization, how you will handle the uh, customers, clients, how you will handle the pressure, everything like this. Different scenario will be there. Based on that, he will ask the questions. Okay, then third is and this is about the questions you may face, you may get in during your selection process. Okay, selection process is called interview. Okay, so then you today will discuss how to we will discuss on the tips how you are going to handle these questions. Like first question is tell me about yourself, and a few common questions you may face during your interview. Why you left the previous job, and your strength, weakness, everything. So these are the difficult and more difficult questions we will focus today. And what else? I will present one presentation. It consists of 7 modules. First module is about the scenario you may get here. Interviewer will give you the scenario. Based on that, you have to answer the question. Then second one is common interview questions you may get to answer that one. Okay, then some then third module, it's about the difficult questions you may get and how you are going to prepare for that. And for any interview, how you have to plan for any interview. Okay, what is your planning, how you have to plan for the interview, for any interview. Okay, and next is, yesterday we have seen interviewee also can ask any one candidate. Okay, any candidate. Okay, he can ask the question to the interviewer. So what sort of questions a candidate can ask to the interviewer, today we'll discuss that. Okay, and what are the common questions you may ask to the interviewer, and what are the tips will we will discuss. And at last, after the interview, you have to take the follow up from the company. That you have to do so that you may correct yourself for the next interviews. So we'll have in today's session, we'll have this discussion. It consists of 7 modules. Okay. So objective of our class is, first is tell me about yourself, and the this is the question, and we'll discuss the tips. Then what are the scenarios? Scenario based on that you may get questions. He may pose you, interviewer will pose you to the candidates, and difficult questions you may get, how you are going to answer them. Okay, today we'll discuss inshallah. So I'm sharing this. So till now, have you prepared anything just to discuss? How much you have prepared for your interviews?
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Like with our discussion yesterday, like
Yeah.
we were discussing about the introduction and everything. So you said that we have to be very specific with the skill set.
Yeah.
What I was asking. So, ma'am, the last evening and today morning, I was actually searching for what are the roles and responsibilities like for the role, like what will be our day-to-day task, day-to-day activity, so
Okay.
that some of the points that the basic roles and responsibilities, so that
Okay.
we can work on that responsibilities and we can also work on that.
Yeah.
So there are various ma'am, theory related terms I got, ma'am, like the
Okay.
various terminology, like everything has got a dictionary, no, ma'am. Like there is a technical dictionary.
Yeah,
Likewise,
yeah.
there is a dictionary of terminology from A to Z. I found out that, ma'am, wherein from A to Z all the terminologies and all the terms that comes into picture. So I got it. So inshallah, like in upcoming few days, ma'am, inshallah, I will try to work on those as well, and I'll try to like modify my CV as well as my introduction, like to be very specific. Like as you were saying yesterday, you have to be specific and you have to be precise. So inshallah, in that
Yeah.
stuff, ma'am, things are going on, ma'am.
So from that library, you are selecting some vocabulary words and you are adding in your resume like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Terms,
Like, ma'am,
terminologies.
this is basically no, no, yeah, yeah. This is terminology about yes, ma'am. Like from A to Z, the terminology that is used in cybersecurity. Like from A to Z, there are
Okay, okay.
various
Yeah,
like
yeah. Cyber
kind
security.
of threats and
Fine,
vulnerabilities.
fine.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nice. Nice research you have done, mashallah. So if you are
Yes,
going
ma'am.
for a research, only we don't want to move, okay? From one place
Yes,
only
ma'am.
we get.
And one more thing, ma'am. Yesterday night, I was actually looking for an like this the various videos. So I found one of the like expert. He was saying that one thing I really like from his lecture, ma'am. He was saying that these days everybody want to earn their way, looking for various ways to earn, like from work from home, from online, but nobody wants to learn. So he said the person who learns is the person who actually earns. So first you
Mm,
learn, and then L goes, and then the point of earning starts. So before you do anything, you have to make sure that you learn the things. You learn the terminology, you learn the skill set, and you learn the everything. So that thing has really struck me. But first you have to learn, then L will go, then
yes,
comes your
earns,
earning.
yes.
So before learning, whoever earns it, it's like a short term benefit. He was saying, like
Yeah, yeah.
either he got some reference or recommendation, or somehow he got an entry. But for a long term survival, one who learns and
Yes.
comes will only the person who will survive, who will be stable, and who will be earning. So that point I really like very much, ma'am.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I thought of sharing with you, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good points. That thing I want to share with you, like learning. Okay, learning, then experiencing. So it's a
Yes, ma'am.
long journey. It
Yes, ma'am.
takes time. Easily we cannot achieve a good thing, good opportunity. If you are really, don't waste your time. Really work hard, 3 to 4 months. But you have to identify. Okay, analyze yourself and be specific, objective, make objective for any class. Okay, this session's objective, our aim, our life also having some aim. Okay, reason, aim, objective for any task, for anything. Okay, you should have that reason or aim or objective. So then only we can work. For that you have to plan, then execute. This is the process only for anything.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to get through process.
Yes, ma'am.
So that process is, it depends on you how hard you work. Hard working means practicing number of times. Once you'll get to know more, like experiences, like your experience, really you feel that I am experiencing what I have learned. So means you have learned, in my terminology, like that.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, exactly, ma'am. It's true, ma'am. 100%.
Yeah, day by day it's decreasing. They will join. Shall I wait for them?
It happens, man.
Like, ma'am,
This is
at
very
least,
good. Yes.
yes, ma'am. Like only three members are there, ma'am, in our class today.
So our this
Well,
objective of this session is that we have some common interview questions. So we and with tips. Then information, I said no. You may interviewer will pose some
Yes,
difficult
ma'am.
questions. How you are going to answer that? Then good questions to ask by to ask my interviewer. What you have to frame few questions to ask to the interviewer. Yesterday also we have seen, and Mr. Riazeman, he has also faced that interviewer asked him that you can ask any question. So for that you have to prepare for that few questions. So today we'll have a look what are the questions you can prepare for the interviewer. So by giving the questions to the interviewer means your interest they will check towards the company, your interest. So that is why they will ask any questions for them. So what are the questions? Let us today will discuss, okay? And how you are going to answer to this question? Tell me about yourself and what you have to do after the interview and what are the common interview mistakes. So let us so this presentation it has 7 modules, okay? So first module, okay, tell me about a time when. So this is the situation. Interviewer will ask about the situation where how you have handled that situation, okay? Interviewers often ask a question that starts with the phrase tell me about a time when. Here are some examples. Tell me about a time when you had deal with an angry or irate customer. You had to come up with a solution to solve a problem your company was facing. You had to juggle your priorities to meet a deadline. You had to work with a difficult coworker. So these are the situations you may come across during your working hours. So how you will handle this sort of situations? First is if any customer with an angry or irritate you, how you will deal with that person and how you will give a solution to a problem, okay? And how you will give the suppose you have a deadline, you have to finish this operation in 10 days. So how you prioritize the things to achieve that task and how you will handle the difficult co-workers in your team. If one of the team player is very difficult to handle, how you will handle, how you will work with them, okay? So what you have to do, here are the answer for those questions. Create a list of examples and skills you can mentally refer back to. Pick examples that have a positive outcome. Be specific. Focus your response on the process you used and the resulting outcome. Okay, and other common interview questions already in previous classes we have seen. Why do you want this job? Why should we hire you? What are your strengths and weaknesses? And greatest professional achievement also. You should identify and make a note of that. What is your greatest professional achievement? Elaborate that. Okay. And what are your, why are you leaving your current job? Reason for leaving the current job, and what are your career goals and what motivates you, and have you worked with someone you did not like? How did you handle the situation? Are you willing to relocate? What are your hours of availability? Do you have any questions for us? Okay, later on we'll see this. Do you have any questions for us? Then tips for answering common interview questions. Common interview questions, you have to do the homework and be positive. Prepare a list of questions you are likely to be asked. So please start preparing the questions with answers like they are likely to be asked. Okay, clearly identify what the organization's needs are. Practice by interviewing yourself for the position according to the position what you have applied. According to that, you have to practice and learn from previous interviews. Okay, recall the previous interview you have attended, and take identify the mistakes and correct it, and try to don't do any mistake for the upcoming interviews. And the second module, it's about how you are going to plan for the interview. Information you should know going into any interview. These you have to get the information before you are going for the interview. That is the name of the company, detailed information about the position you are interviewing for, means the position, job description, the names of the people conducting the interview, the company's culture, mission, and values. You should know about this. Okay, so please make a note of this, okay, in your diary, so that if you got the opportunity for any interview, so that you can prepare yourself for this. Okay, then gather as much information about the company as possible. Familiarize yourself with the company's website. Check for news articles about company. Understand the different types of questions you may be asked. Know your resume and or portfolio, so you can answer questions if needed. Okay, then third module, it's about the difficult questions you may get, interviewer may pose you. That is greatest weakness, and why is there a gap in your employment history? Why did not you leave your old job sooner if you weren't happy with the company? Have you ever been fired from a job? And the next is, what is your dream job or ideal job? What did not you like about your old job? If you were hiring someone for this position, what qualities would you look for? Why weren't you ever promoted at your old job? These are the difficult questions, and how you are going to respond to these difficult questions. Keep it positive even when discussing your weaknesses. Okay, always be positive and be honest. Keep the focus on your strengths. Don't trash your old job or boss. Try to connect your responses to the job you are seeking. Highlight your successes. Discuss plans for personal improvement. Then fourth module, it's about what are the questions you have to prepare for the interviewer. Okay, you should always prepare a list of questions to ask the person or people interviewing you. This shows that you have done your research and you are very interested in working for the company. Okay, so here we have the some common questions you can ask to the interviewer. Okay, what are those questions? What skills and experiences would make an ideal candidate? What kind of training would be provided for a new person coming into this role? How does this role relate to the overall structure of the organization? What have you enjoyed most about working here? What would you say are the biggest challenges for this industry? What would be some of the first projects for a new person coming into this role? What is staff turnover like for this position? What about the organization as a whole? What area of business needs the most attention? And here some of the tips for framing these questions are: if you are having trouble finding a way to ask questions, you can use one of the following lead-ins. Okay, I found an article on your, in another way you can ask like this. Okay, I found an article on your website that talked about this thing. When I read your annual report, I noticed that I see that your company is planning on dash. Can you tell me about that? Then the fifth module, it's about the tell me about yourself. Okay. So what are the things you have to focus? Tell me about yourself. We have seen in last class three types of interviews, okay? Structured, unstructured, and semi-structured. So this tell me about yourself, it is a open-ended and unstructured interview. Interviewers often ask you to tell them about yourself. Interviewers like this question because it is open-ended and unstructured. This requires the job candidate to determine what information is important enough to share. Additionally, the interviewer likely wants to know how articulate and confident you are. Articulate means effective how effectively you are saying about yourself and how much confident you are. Okay, so articulate means effective and confident. So whatever you are saying, that it should be very effective and confident. So your interview should be interactive. You have given your introduction by giving the answer to the question, tell me about yourself. Then you have to prepare few questions based on your research on that particular company that you have applied and job description. So prepare 4 to 5 questions. So it looks like it's a interview. It's like a open-ended, unstructured interview. First screening. So it should look like a interactive session. Okay. So you have said about yourself and you want to know more about the company. You're showing interest towards the company by you are having few questions related to the company. So prepare. So you, before going to the interview, you have to research on the company and the job profile so that you can prepare few questions to ask in the interview. Okay, then tell me about yourself. What are the things you have, how you are going to respond to this question. Prepare a script for this question. Avoid revealing too much personal information. Keep it professional. Talk about where you are right now, then about your past experiences, then about where you want to be in the future. Focus on your professional strengths and accomplishments. Accomplishments means achievements. So three things you have to focus: your qualifications, skill set, strength, then the achievements, and talk about on projects. And be confident and articulate means effective. So if you got the opportunity to tell about yourself, try to give the information in best way. So be confident and articulate. Keep your answer brief. They don't want your entire life story. Include your educational background. Get their attention with your response. Practice. For this, you need practice. Then sixth module is after the interview. What you have to do after the interview. Okay. So they have not called you for to tell about to get the introduction from your side. So you have to after the giving the introduction of yourself, and this is that vote of thanks, like that you have to say, send a formal thank you note to the company that interviewed you. So this is the one way of manners. Okay, so they have given you the opportunity to tell about your skills, about your education, so you have to thanks to them. So every time it's a good manner of having the gratitude. You should have an attitude of gratitude. So send a formal thank you note to the company that interviewed you. Follow up with the company if you do not receive any response after a reasonable amount of time. Be prepared for a second interview or pre-employment testing. Don't resign from your current position until you receive a formal offer. Okay, after the interview, if you get the job, negotiate your salary before you sign a formal offer. Determine your starting date and time. And if you don't get the job, ask for feedback. Write down the feedback so you can refer to back to it for future interviews. This is about the how is the process of the interview. Okay, make the interview, first screening interview, as a interactive interview. First tell about yourself and show the interest towards the company by asking question to the interviewer, and after then give the thanks to the interviewer for you go he has given the opportunity to tell me to express yourself, your skills, your achievements you have said. So give the thanks. You should have an attitude of gratitude. Then get the feedback, as they are not after some time, after a week, get the feedback from them. Okay, then follow up, please follow up so that you can identify the mistakes and you can correct it, so that you cannot do any mistake for the next interviews. Okay, any queries you have with you? Yes, please. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi barakatuh for the latecomers.
Walaikum salam.
Yes, sir. Today you are late, Mr. Yaz Ahmed.
Yes, ma'am. I got a call in between that. I was attending call. That's
Okay, so your official call? Your interview?
yes, sir. Yes, no, it's from office.
Okay, okay. So here, as you have experience, you have faced yesterday, you have discussed, no? Like in one of the interview, interviewer has posed a question, any question for.
Yes.
So here we have in this presentation, what sort of questions we have to frame it and how we have to ask the question. Before going, we have to frame the questions here. Okay, you should always
Okay.
prepare a list of questions to ask the person or people interviewing you. This shows that you have done your research and you are very interested in working for the company. Okay,
Okay.
simply you have not come down for the interview, you have some interest towards that company, really you want to work with them. So this shows this attitude. Okay, so what are the questions you can pose to the interviewer? These are the questions. Like this one is very good common question: what kind of training would be provided for a new person coming into this role? Okay, you can ask
Okay.
the question. And second one is, how does this role relate to the overall structure of the organization? And what have you enjoyed most about working here? And
Okay, ma'am.
yes, and you are by asking this question about skills and experiences, what skills and experiences would make an ideal candidate? It's a very good question you can ask to the interviewer. You can by asking this question, you can identify what sort of candidate they are looking for, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Any more things you want to share on these questions, or you have anything to share with us? You have come across before this? Any one of you? Like in the interview, they have asked you any questions for them? Yes, please. Yes, you can ask. Suppose a interviewer is there. So how you are going to ask the question? Three question. Frame three question. Then ask. Here is there. Okay, here is there. Like in this way also you can ask. I found an article on your website that talk about the upcoming upcoming projects you have. Let me know more about them. Let me know in detail about those projects. You can ask like this, isn't it? Or you show your
Yes, ma'am.
interest in this sort of a project you have interest. Please, anybody come up. Mr. Muzammil, you want to ask any, just share your views on this. What are the questions we can pose to the interviewer? Anybody, please?
Like, ma'am, the second one, we can say, when I read your annual report, I noticed that you are enlarging the company. Is
Yes.
there any upcoming vacancies in the
Yeah.
future?
Yeah, yeah. Good question. Yes. And what else? Talk
Ma'am,
about the project also.
yes, ma'am. I have found an article on your website that your company is going to start this business initiative or this division. So can you explain me like how that division will be running and how much work has been done to
Mhm.
set up that division? Like
Yeah.
for example, they are opening the new operation,
Yes.
something some like they from their conventional thing, they are doing something different now. So they have already announced in their website that we are going to start this division also as well. Means we will be working on this process as well. So
Mhm.
in that way we can actually post, ma'am.
Yeah. And what else? So make a note of these
I
questions.
see.
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, can you get back to that slide?
Okay. Okay,
I see
sir.
that your company is planning to open one branch in abroad. Can you tell me
Okay.
about that?
Yeah. For abroad, there's everything is infrastructure, everything is different. Even pay scale also for abroad also. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So if you are opening there and abroad, can we get the opportunity if we once placed here? Can you shift there also abroad like that? You can ask.
Yes.
That is on site, okay, isn't it?
Yes, on site. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Exactly.
So like this, by posing few questions like this, you're showing interest. You have the interest. Really, you want to work with them. So this is the one of the attitude, okay? Your attitude towards the company. So every time you should have some interest towards the, so they will also give a, in reply, they will also give a interest towards them. Okay, and this is about like articulate and confident. So how much like, let us start with the about yourself. Already we have worked on this, still we have to correct ourselves. So you have to first prepare a script for this question. Avoid revealing too much personal information. Keep it professional, okay? Keep it professional only. You are about yourself, and talk about where you are right now, then about your past experiences. So keep in mind these points and start your this one. Say about yourself. Keep in your mind about these points, and you can prepare. Finally, you have prepared everybody. How you are going to render about this question? Tell me about yourself. So today everybody is ready with this question, with the answer. Yes, everybody is ready.
Actually, ma'am, what happened here? As you said, the next class will be on Monday.
Okay.
So I have not prepared. I thought I should prepare on Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, fine. So just not well prepared, just start with this, because you have this type of like template is there. Okay. So keep your answer brief. They don't want your entire life story. Already we have done this. Still, practice will get some points, good points, strengths, accomplishments. So first you have to prepare a script, means you have to write down what you have to say. Okay, you have to prepare a script. You have to, in that script, you have to include your achievements, your projects, your experience, your qualification. Okay. And after the interview, any one of you please read what you have to do so that it will be there in your mind, back of the mind at the time of interview. Okay. One of you very quickly will read out this.
Okay, ma'am. After the interview, send a formal thank you note to the company that interviewed you. Follow up with the company if you do not receive any response after a reasonable amount of time. Be prepared for a second interview or pre-employment testing. Don't resign from your current position until you receive a formal offer.
Okay. Next, please. Jazakallah.
Thank you. And the
Yes, ma'am.
fourth one point is very important, ma'am. Like many employees I have seen, they will not receive any job, but they will resign from the current position, and then at last they will face depression.
Yeah, yeah. So that is why you have to give a notice. Once you got the offer letter from the new company, you are specifying the date and time. So you have to fulfill the previous job. Okay. So you have to give a notice of before 1 month, I think so. So you can take
Yes.
your time for joining a new company.
Nowadays, there is 2 months, ma'am, in most of the companies.
Yes. So after,
And there is a one option, buyout option is there. If any
yeah,
other company wants immediate hiring within 1 month, then they have option buyout option.
okay. Yes. So take care of these things and proceed further, because pre-employment testing will be there, second round. So for that, prepare for that second interview. That is a
Yes.
technical or pre-employment testing. Pre-employment for experienced person, they will check for the psychological test, how you will face the pressure and the stress. They will check it out for that also. Next, please read out.
Yes, ma'am. After the interview,
Yes.
yes, ma'am. After the interview, send a formal thank you note to the company that interviewed you. Follow up with the company if you don't receive any response after a reasonable amount of time. Be prepared for a second interview or pre-employment testing. Don't resign from your current position until you receive a formal offer.
Okay, next, please.
After the interview, hello.
Yes, sir.
After the interview, send a formal thank you note to the company that interviewed you. Follow up with the company if you do not receive any response after a responsible amount of time. Be
Reasonable.
prepared for a
Excuse me. Reasonable.
reasonable. Mhm. Be prepared for a second interview or pre-employment testing. Don't resign from your current position until you receive a formal offer.
Okay, next, please. Next, please. Mr. Ame, please.
Yes, ma'am. After the interview, send a formal thank you note to the company that interviewed you. Follow up with the company if you do not receive any response after a responsible amount of time. Be prepared for a second interview or pre-employment testing. Don't resign from your current position until you receive a formal offer.
Okay, reasonable, sir. Please, reasonable amount of time. Okay, next, please. Jazakallah.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, next, please. Mr. Faraz.
G.
Yes, sir.
Send a formal
Please
thank
read.
you. Send a formal thank you note to the company that interview you. Follow up with the company if you do not receive any response after a reasonable amount of time. Be prepared for the second interview or pre-employment testing. Don't resign from your current positions until you receive a formal offer.
Okay, good. And next, after the interview, what you have to do? What you have to do after the interview?
After the interview, read. Can I read, ma'am?
Yes, yes, you can read, sir.
After the interview, if you get the job, negotiate your salary before you sign a formal offer. Determine determine your starting date and time.
Once
If you
again, sir.
don't get
Hmm.
if you get the job, negotiate your salary before you sign a formal offer. Determine your starting date and time. If you don't get the job, ask for feedback. Write down the feedback so you can refer to back to it for a future interview.
Okay, next, please. Anybody, please?
Uh, okay. After the interview, if you get the job, negotiate your salary before you sign a formal offer. Determine your starting date and time. If you don't get the job, ask for feedback. Write down the feedback so you can refer to back to it for future interviews.
Okay, next, please.
Yes, ma'am. After the interview, if you get the job, negotiate your salary before you sign a formal offer. Determine your starting date and time. If you don't get the job, ask for feedback. Write down write down the feedback so that you can refer back to it for future interviews.
Okay, good. Next, please.
After the interview, if you get the job, negotiate your salary before you sign a formal offer. Determine your starting date and time. If you do not get the job, ask for feedback. Write down the feedback so you can refer the back to it for future interview.
Okay, next, please. Mr. Amir. Are you there, Mr. Amir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
After the interview, if you get the job, negotiate your salary before you sign a formal offer. Determine your starting date and time. If you don't get the job, ask for feedback. Write down the feedback so you can refer to back to it for future interview.
Okay, good. Jazakallah. So then we'll have a look how to plan. You have to plan for the interview. What are the preparation you have to do before going for an interview? Okay. So we'll have tips like how to plan for the interview. Okay. So one by one, you just read out planning for the interview.
Planning for the interview. Information you should know going into any interview. The name of the company. Detailed information about the position you are interviewing for. The names of the people conducting the interview. The company's culture, mission, and values.
Next, please.
Planning for the interview. Yes, ma'am. Information you should know going into any interview. First, the name of the company. Second, the detailed information about the position you are interviewing for. Third, the names of the people conducting the interview. Fourth, the company's culture, mission, and values.
Okay, good. Next.
Planning for the interview. Information you should know going to the any interview. The name of company, detailed information about the position you are interviewing for, the name of the people conducting the interview, the company culture, mission, and values.
The company's culture, mission, and values.
The,
Okay.
the company's culture, mission, and values.
Okay. Okay. Jazakallah. Next, please.
Planning for the interview. Information you should know going into any interview. The name of the company, detailed information about the position you are interviewing for, the name of the people conducting the interview, the company's culture, mission, and values.
Okay, good. Next, please.
Planning for the interview. Planning for the interview. Information you should know going into any interview. The name of the company, detailed information about the positions you are the interviewing for, the names of the people conducting the interview, the company's cultures, mission, and values.
Okay, good. Jazakallah. Next, how to plan for the interview.
How to plan for the interview. Gather as much information about the company as possible. Familiarize yourself with the company's website. Check for news articles about company. Understand the company types of questions you may be asked. Know your resume and or portfolio so you can answer questions if needed.
Okay, next, please.
How to
Exactly.
plan for the interview. Gather as much information about the company as possible. Familiarize yourself with the company's website. Check for a new article about the company. Understand the different types of questions you may be asked. Now know your resume and or portfolio so you can answer questions if needed.
Next, please. Jazakallah.
How to plan for the interview.
Okay.
Gather as much information as possible about gather as much information about the company as possible. Familiarize yourself with company's website. Check for news articles about company. Understand the different types of questions you may be asked. Know your resume and or portfolio so you can answer questions if needed.
Okay, good. Next, please. Mr. Akram, please. Okay, let us move towards a few difficult questions you may face, how you are going to answer those difficult questions. Okay. Like here you have common interview questions and tips for that. Do your be positive, prepare a list of questions you are likely to be asked. So clear, identify what the organization's needs. According to that, prepare yourself. Okay, so here are the questions. What motivates you? What do you want? Why do you want this job? So very quickly we'll answer in one sentence. Okay, whoever wants to say it. Okay, why do you want this job?
The skills are matching. The skills are matching for the position which you are offering.
Okay, good. Anybody for this question?
I'm really passionate about entering this job, and I really feel that I could be best suited for it if I could get an opportunity.
Okay, next please.
I search on Google about this job. This suit me very well.
suit me very well. Okay, I hope that whatever the skill set I have that matches that particular job profile. So
Okay.
that you have to specify your skill set. Okay, skill set, whatever the skill set I have that suits that job description. Okay, so this is the appropriate answer for this question. And anybody please, or we'll move towards next question. Why should we hire you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The uh, uh, why should we hire you? Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The prerequisite that is mentioned in your post for the interview, I believe that I carry all the prerequisites with the qualification and skill set. And despite that, I have been working on my working on the technology, my upgrading myself. So that's the reason I should be hired for this position.
Okay, good answer. Next, please.
I have a good experience in the particular field which you are offering. I think my talents will be a big contribution for your company.
Mhm. Good answer. Next, please. Come up with your answer.
If you hire me, it will be a great platform to showcase my skill
Mhm.
and mm, showcase and that's
Prepare for this, okay, Mr. Muzammil. You
okay,
can
madam.
prepare two or
Okay.
three answers which suited best. You feel that this is the best answer. So please work on this. You may get any time, any call. They may pose this type of questions. Okay. So this
Okay,
is
ma'am.
the preparation. Next, Mr. Amir.
Yes, ma'am. Uh, if you hire me, I will do my best because my all skills are matched with this position. It I will contribute my best for this growth of company.
Okay, good, good. Next, please, Mr. Faraz. Strengths and weaknesses.
My strengths are I am hardworking and flexible person and punctual with positive attitude and self-motivated person.
Mhm. Weaknesses.
Weakness, I am very emotional person.
Please you change the weaknesses. Okay, please research on these weaknesses. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
don't specify that emotional. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
just quote like how quote according to the work. Weaknesses according to the work. Okay, according to that you have to code the weaknesses. Okay, next please. Strengths and
My
weaknesses.
my strength are hardworking, self-motivated team worker, and my weakness are I can't say no to anyone when they ask me any help,
Mhm.
fast decision making,
Mhm.
and I can easily trust people.
Okay, good points. Yes. Next, strengths and weaknesses.
My strength is I will be focused and I'm creativity person. I can mingle with anyone.
Mhm.
Whereas my weakness, taking decisions very quickly.
Okay. Please, Mr. Riaz Ahmad, research on this and change your weaknesses, okay? Because
Yes.
first screening, on screening, you will be posing this answers, okay? Or you are answering. If you tell me about yourself, means you have this strengths, weaknesses, achievements, and your projects, okay?
I have one more answer, ma'am, for a weakness. I am a straightforward person and I cannot say no when someone asks help for me.
Okay, fine.
I will try to change, ma'am, this one
Yes, yes.
again. Okay.
Some professional, okay, as you have experience, no? So according
Yeah.
to that, you can add, okay? Please work on this
Okay.
strengths and weaknesses. Your
Okay.
telling about yourself should be very strong, okay?
Okay.
And what is your greatest professional achievement? Greatest
Madam, as I am fresher, I don't have any professional achievement.
no, as a like you can say that you have done your professional course, isn't it?
Professional
Being
course, post graduation.
yes,
During post graduation, I have completed my project called Google Ad Server,
yes,
and
that one you can
I can
say.
add some word about Google Ad Server also.
Yeah. You can say if you don't have experience, you have to say how you have achieved, how you have done the project during your course.
Okay, ma'am.
You can focus on that your specialization
Okay,
and
ma'am.
projects. Okay, if you don't have experience. Next, please, greatest professional achievement you feel. So you should identify and analyze and be specific and relevant.
Uh,
My biggest, yes, brother Usman, please tell.
Go ahead. Go ahead, brother. Yes, you complete. I'll join after you.
Okay. My biggest achievement is overcoming my fear of failure. I have worked on special projects and I have been complimented by my supervisors and co-workers.
Mhm. Okay. Next, please.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. My greatest professional achievement is, ma'am, I got to know the actual purpose of learning. By learning and contributing, we can make an impact in the society. And what is the actual purpose and how we can build up ourselves, and we can grow. We can grow together. And with all these my life experiences, I became very self motivated. So I believe that, if I could get a platform, I can motivate more people, and I can make a healthy society, ma'am. So that is what is my greatest achievement.
Okay, good. Very unique and different achievement you have. Good. Yes, next, please. Yes, next, please. Yes, anybody? And what motivates you, and how you will handle the situations? We have these situations, no? Like how you will handle an angry customer or irate customer, and how you will come up with a solution, prioritize to meet a deadline, how you will handle difficult co-worker. Okay, anything you want to discuss, come up with the answer for these situations.
Like, ma'am, how to prioritize the priorities? Just now, there was a question of,
Yeah.
like, ma'am, in order to become a professional and to lead a happy life, it's essential that we give the priorities. So we have to find out what is the work of top priority that we have to do, our professional development, our health, our physical health, our mental health. So the person who follows the routine of his life according to priority is the person who will actually come up by doing something in his life. Like, he'll be happy with what he's doing, and he'll be achieving the goal that he is intended to. So prioritizing the things is really it gives a sense of responsibility. It shows, it reflects, ma'am, that the person is responsible towards his life, responsible towards his duties. So prioritizing is really like an important quality that we have to learn. to prioritize the things and to do the things
अरे
on
गाँव वाले
priority
भी नहीं आ रहा
basis.
बोल के तुम बुल्ला अभी तो नहीं आया ना.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, continue, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That's what, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I was saying about that prioritizing the
Yes.
things you get about that, ma'am.
Yeah. Then we have, what do you consider to be your weaknesses? So here nobody would ever want to admit that they are lazy, irresponsible, or easily distracted. Okay, so when asked this question, most people say they are perfectionists or working too much. So why don't you be honest instead? So the key is to share something which you know you could do better: organizing your time, handling manual tasks, resolving problems, working in a team, etc. It shows that you are aware of your weak points and you are consciously trying to improve them. Okay, this is about the weaknesses. Okay, so how you are going to say like what do you consider to be your weaknesses? So anybody, like, why don't you be honest instead? The key is to share something which you know you could do better: organizing your time, handling manual tasks, resolving problems, working in a team, how you will work. So this is about, and what how you will where do you see yourself in 5 or 10 years? So if you don't have a very specific plan of what you want to achieve in that time, it's always good to draw a picture related to the job position you are applying for. But try to be honest, share your dreams of things you really want to achieve. Unless you only dream of having cocktails all day long on a beach in the, so just won't be lie. So just discuss the things what you want to. If you want to be that, you have to work on that to achieve the goals. Why you are leaving your current job? Of course you are quitting because you hate your job, or but how do you say this to your future employer? So as positive as possible, think about the real reasons why you quit and choose a reasonable one to share. Say how grateful you are about the opportunity you got working at your last job and everything you learned there. And what is your greatest professional achievement? Even if you don't think you have achieved anything that big, there must be something nice to share. Learning to do well something you never did before is also an achievement. Just Mr. Usman said, okay? So learning that whatever you are doing, whatever you have feel good about that and share. So you are feeling that that thing is a very uh, for you it's a professional achievement. Okay, so about this, what is your greatest achievement? Please read out so that it will be there in your mind, back of the mind. Professional greatest achievement.
Even if you don't think you are achieved anything that big, there must be something nice to share. Learning to do well something you never did before is also an achievement.
Next please.
Even if you don't think you have achieved anything that big, there must be something nice to share. Learning to do well something you never did before is also an achievement.
Next please.
Even if you don't think you have achieved anything that big, there must be a something nice to share. Learning to do well something you never did before is also an achievement.
Yes, next please. Mr. Amir? Yes, Mr. Amir. Next, please. Then weaknesses. Weaknesses, okay. Something you have to say so that you can organize your time and handling manual tasks, resolving problems. So why don't you be honest instead? So weaknesses means don't be frank, be genuine about your weaknesses. As Mr. Riaz Ahmed, you have said good points about the weaknesses. Elaborate the weakness, okay, so that they will understand
Okay.
how you are going to handle the things when you got the things on hand.
Yes.
Anything you want to share? Anybody? Whatever the topics we have discussed today, anything you want to share?
Yes, ma'am. Like 3.5 years back when I had an interview,
Okay.
at that time I went through consultancy in
Okay.
Hightech City. I cannot remember the company name, but it was in my home hub in Hightech City.
Okay.
So when I went to the first round, they have asked about the company. What do you know about this company?
Okay.
So at that time, I said that I got a call from consultancy. I came to the interview.
Okay.
Then there was a female interviewer. She said
Okay.
that go and wait outside.
Okay.
There
That
were
time only
some
she said.
yes,
Okay.
go and wait outside. And there were more 5 people. After that, they have shortlisted some people, and remaining people they called and they said, better luck next time. Apply after 6 months.
So they have not took your interview.
No, no, no.
Okay.
First question only was about the what do you know about this company? What
Mhm.
process we will do, like that they asked.
So, so you have shown that you don't know, like you don't know actually what is the company job profile before knowing. Okay, if you are going
Yes,
anywhere, suppose if you have got the invitation for, if you are going for any function program, about that program you should know. No, so these are
yes,
the etiquettes. We will ignore this type of etiquettes. So if
yes,
as a professional, if we have the etiquettes of things, so we can do the work according to the etiquettes. If we are
yes, ma'am. That was my experience, ma'am. After that, whenever I was going to any interview, first
okay.
I will check about the company, what the process. I'll write 2 3 lines. Then only I was going.
So you have said they asked about the company.
Yes. What do you know about our company and what process we will do?
Mhm.
Like that they have asked.
So they show interest if you say that.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay, good. Nice. You have framed for you are looking for which kind of like specialization you are preferring right now? How you are upgrading
Yeah.
yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I'm working on that, ma'am. Inshallah, Monday I will come with
Okay.
good sentences.
Okay. Okay, sir. Jazakallah. And Muzammil, you have also identified your specialization, your skill set.
What,
Yes,
madam?
Mr. Muzammil. You have identified your skill set, like which kind of job profile you are looking for. According to that, you prepared yourself your skill set.
I'm preparing, madam. I'm looking
Yes.
for
Okay.
IT job, like desktop support for
Okay. Okay.
entering into IT.
Okay. Okay. So for
I
that,
go for basic. For that, I have prefer basic for entering job like desktop support, and
yeah. So
then
for that, for
I will first I
for
want to
technical
enter
support,
into that. Yes,
yes. So basic thing is for entering for that technical support. Okay, for technical support also means if you get a call for supporting technically, you have to support to the customer. So you have to convey the things. Okay, so for that communication is the essential thing. Okay, for this the other part technically they will train you,
yes,
isn't it?
ma'am.
So
Yes,
according to that you just prepare yourself. Okay.
okay.
Okay, sir. We'll have a class on Monday. Prepare yourself. Please identify, analyze, and be specific. Okay.
Yes,
Assalamu
ma'am. Sure.
alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.